Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends. Today is a great day. We are releasing this little package, which is the Faith Place. It's like a war binder. I will share that in another video. But this video is going to focus on gratitude documented that starts November 1st. If you're brand new here, my name is Gina. I'm the creative here on YouTube behind Create and Daydream. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, we're going to be unboxing gratitude document. I'm going to be sharing what the Illustrated Faith kit is all about, as well as some awesome new goodies that are in the shop. So if that's something that you want to see, let's get started. Okay, so if you are brand new to Illustrated Faith or Gratitude Documented, this is a project that the community does every single November, where Illustrated Faith provides us with 30 prompts and 30 scriptures, and every day we write those down or create with them or do whatever you want with them. This is what it looks like, and here is our thank you note from Shauna Noel. Let me read this to you really quick. It says, "Hey friend, welcome to Gratitude Documented 2023. Whether this is your first year or you join us every year, I am so grateful you are here. I pray that as you work through the 30 daily prompts, it helps you to cultivate a heart of thankfulness this season." Yes. And did you see the little sneaky peeky on there for Advent? I know. I love this time of year. I love it. Okay, so in the kit, here is the vinyl sticker. It says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." That is Psalm 118:24. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And yes, if you hear smacks, that's me clapping my hands. I've already unboxed this. I'm voicing over it, but I'm so stinking excited when I start looking at it again. I just start clapping my hands. Okay, that little booklet. That is a little booklet that says grateful on the front. It has probably 30 pages in it, dot grid, and it's a little bit bigger than a 3x5 card. I believe that's what I'm trying to pull out right here. So this is one way you can go through Gratitude Documented. If you just want to write down the scriptures and you just want to get the kit and work through the kit this way. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the journal yet, because I do know what I'm going to be doing for Gratitude Documented, so I will share that in another video. Okay, I lied. There is not dot grid in that journal. I didn't even look. The cover's dot grid. So I'm not trying to be a little liar on my channel. Okay, here is the polymer stamp that is in the kit. It is called Thankful. This is by Jasmine Jones, who is our artist for Gratitude Documented. So it has the words thankful on it. Love this. Blessings, gratitude, grace, worship, and thankful for. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. Here's a little thank you floral, what's this called? Cardstock stickers that goes along quite nicely with all the ephemera that you're going to see. And y'all, there's 2 packs of ephemera. I counted it and it's just under 90 pieces, which for a ring book, ephemera is everything. So I am so excited that Shauna Noel did this. She put in all the prompts, so they're all in one package, and then the rest is just like all this yummy florals and mushrooms and just stuff that you can put in your ring book. So I'm gonna run through this right now. Okay, so I opened package number 1. This is all the prompts. So it has all the writing of the prompts, like singing and making melody, the sound of laughter, seasons of life, imagination, best friends, and so forth. There are 30 of them. And if you're brand new here, I should always say this in my unboxings. I am a creative team member for Illustrated Faith. I know. Why do they let me? Shauna Noel, she just has a big heart for this little crazy human that gets super excited about stuff. So, Shauna Noel, if you're watching, thank you so much. You bless me every single month, and I am so grateful I get to share this with my YouTube community. I love this community so much. This is my favorite form of social media, so thank you to every single one of you watching as well. Okay, let's dial back the mushy and get serious. This is a serious video. I'm never serious. That's just a joke. That's being sarcastic. Okay, so that is the 30 prompts that will be available on the Illustrated Faith Instagram feed. We put that up. I believe that'll probably go up November 1st, maybe October 31st. And then it is also shared in the Instagram stories. I may share that over on Facebook in our Bible journaling group. We'll see. That's something else I do that if you're not aware, I am kind of the admin for the Facebook Bible journaling group. So head on over there and join if you have not. Okay, next up, this is the other package. This has about 60 something in it, 60 something ephemeras in it, ephemera pieces. It is filled with pumpkins and florals and journaling bits and black and white florals and acorns, and it's so lovely. We just need to think about like layering this in our little books or in our Bibles or in our journals. I encourage you to look at this and use it however you want to use it. I really think that Bible journaling is evolving, and it is truly what you think it is. If you think it's journaling in your Bible, that's perfect. If you think it's journaling in a notebook, that's perfect. If you think it's journaling in a mixed media journal, that's perfect. If you want to do a ring book, that's perfect. It is the time for you to soak in, like especially for this month of November, what the prompt is, what the Bible verse is, and what God is like just trying to put on your heart that day. So just jump in and do what it is that you want to do. So, okay, so something else is October 31st, we're giving away a kit. Every single year, the Gratitude Documented kits sell out. So, be sure to be going to the Facebook Bible Journaling group because Shauna Noel's holding one that I can give away over there. So, just so you know. Okay, as we're wrapping up this gorgeous ephemera, I'm going to jump into some of the other awesome goodies in the shop. Ooh, you guys, ladies, you're going to love these. Okay, so some of you may recognize this little bag. This was used for the Fear Not devotional kit, Bible journaling kit that Shauna Noel, she wrote the devotional in there. If you're looking for a devotional to do in November, you can pick up Fear Not. It is still available as of today, which is October 12th. If you want to pick that up with your Gratitude Documented kit, I would encourage it. It is fantastic devotional. I've read through it twice now, and I'm still going through it because I'm doing art journaling with it. So there's just a little something if you want to pick it up. I'm just saying. So y'all, yes, that is an acrylic album. So when I made my Fear Not ring book, I thought I am not going to do a ring book for Gratitude Documented. I did not know that Shauna Noel was planning on doing a big old 4x6 ring book with these beautiful clear covers. So y'all, be prepared. I will be back to share how I set up my ring book. There are new, like these mustard orange rings in the shop. I believe the cards come with the cover for the ring book. So I got a sneak peek of this. It was kind of cool. Shauna Noel sent me a message and showed me this. This is a clear cover. So the idea that she said behind it is just to make your own cover to go underneath of it, whether you want to write Gratitude Documented or something like that. So remember, when you get these, it has a film on it. So you peel the portion off, or like you peel off the film, and it turns into this beautiful acrylic book. Look how awesome that is. So yes, we're doing another ring book. And I did a 4x6 book last year, just a ring. This time we're doing a ring book, and I think I might be making something to add to the ring books that I might sell. Just, I don't know, maybe stay tuned. Let me say, if I decide to do that, I will share on my YouTube channel first, so my subscribers can get something if they want. Okay, so we have a new stamp in the shop. This is one of Elaine's Art Essentials. This is called Gratitude Chit Chat. It has all kinds of fun little sayings like so much wonderfulness, passionately content, gratefulness, trusting him, thankful for, many more. Here's a fun little leaf stencil. Like, how cute is that? And these are all the prompts on this little minis thank you. So this is like a clear sticker, and I'm counting them because I was like, okay, wait a minute, this looks really familiar. Yes, there's over 30 of them here. So this is all the prompts. So say you want to participate and you can only spend, $5-10, pick up the prompts. Like, you could put that anywhere. Next up, we have Fabric Crush. This sells out every single time the first day. So if you want Fabric Crush, go and get some. I think this varies, but this is the one I got. I got some orange with pumpkins. I got some green, like buffalo plaid. That is kind of a mustard yellowy, and then that is like a forest green. I use fabric in all my projects. If you've been watching me, I love it so much. And I'm just going to tell you, for my friends here on YouTube, that if I do something and I sell it, it will have some sort of fabric with it. I'm just saying. You guys are first. Okay, I'm going to share the washi here in a second, but just real quick, these cards are 4x6. They're all dot grid and they have different colors. So there's just a little something for you. The washi, the brand new washis are, the green is In the Garden. Little pumpkins are Pumpkins on Parade. We have some vintage thermoses. This is a Kelly Bangs washi, and then we also have Kelly's Labels. Okay, so the Kelly's Labels washi, that goes with the Faith Place. We have a physical kit dropping today for that. That is October 12th. We also will have a printable digital kit, and there's more ephemera coming out. I will share more details about that in the video that I share with that unboxing, because I believe I'm the only creative team member that got it, because I also create for Kelly Bangs. So y'all, thank you so much for being here. This is what the creative team got in our boxes. I know Shauna Noel has other surprises in the shop for us, so head on over there and pick something up. Know that you are loved. I am so thankful for each and every single one of you. I will see you soon. Bless up, my friends. Okay, the Lord is my light and salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Psalm 27:1.